It's a forklifter that is used to lift the weights in warehouses, ports, and in different construction machineries. So, here is the engine below the seat. It is 4-cylinder diesel engine connected with a battery, fuel filter, radiator, and air filter. Hey guys, Hassan here, and you're watching our channel where we make videos to help others. Today I am with very popular machine, which is a forklifter. I am having a model of FT25 forklifter with me. Before moving toward the videos, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the more informative videos and more technical videos as soon as possible. So, it's a forklifter that is used to lift the weights in warehouses, ports, and in different construction machineries and in fields. If we talk about the model of this machine, it's FD25. F mean it is a forklifter, D mean it uses diesel, 25. Here's the interesting thing, 2 denotes that this machine having the weight of 2 ton and 5 denotes that it has a torque converter with it. So no main clutch, only torque converter. If we talk about the weightlifting capacity of this machine, it can lift up to 1.5 ton of weight easily. If we talk about the weight lifting mechanism, it is having forks that lift the weights, and these forks are operated with these hydraulic levers. Here there are 4 levers that operate. It can lift the weight up, down, forward tilt, and reverse tilt. Along with the levers, we have a steering that is controlled hydraulically and is very smooth. This lever is for lights, and this lever is for the gear, forward gear, neutral, and reverse gear. Here we are having the handbrake with us. If you see below, there are 3 pedals. Now it is confusing thing that we have seen 3 pedals in the machineries or in the vehicles that is having a main clutch, and the third pedal is for the main clutch. But the interesting thing is, here we have accelerator and 2 pedals for brake. Moving toward the engine compartment, engine is below the seat. If we open it, here is the engine below the seat. It is 4-cylinder diesel engine connected with a battery, fuel filter, radiator, and air filter. On the back side of the machine, we are having the counterweight that is used to balance the machine, because the weight is lifted from the front side and is balanced from the back side of this machine. The most interesting thing of this machine is that it is having turning from the rear wheels. When we move the steering wheel, the rear wheels rotate and control the direction of the machine. So, this is it for today's videos. If you want to learn about the different construction machineries, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like the video and share it with your friends. So this is it. Allah Hafiz.